Hidden Love season to release in February 2025. Get ready to fall in love. The most anticipated Chinese drama of the year, Hidden Love season 2 is almost here. With the enchanting Zhao Lucy as Sang Ji and the swoon-worthy Chen Jaeyua as Duan Jiaxu, this romance will melt your heart and leave you wanting more. Mark your calendars this February for a story full of love, destiny, and unforgettable moments. Don't miss out, this is the drama everyone will be talking about. Hidden Love has already taken the drama world by storm, becoming a fan favorite. And the excitement doesn't stop there, season 2 has been confirmed and is coming soon. If you haven't started watching yet, you're missing out on one of the most heartwarming romances of the year. Make sure to tune in and fall in love with Sang Ji and Duan Jiaxu's enchanting journey. The plot revolves around Sang Ji, who has secretly admired her brother's friend, Duan Jiaxu, for years. Life and misunderstandings kept them apart, but fate takes a turn when Sang Ji matures and enters university, coincidentally in Jiaxu's hometown. As they find themselves at the same campus, their paths cross again, sparking a love that grows sweeter by the day. With every adorable scene and swoon-worthy moment, you'll be rooting for their relationship to blossom. The newly aired Chinese drama, Hidden Love, has already charmed audiences worldwide, and I'm sure you're still enchanted by the heartwarming romance between Sang Ji and Jiaxu, who have set the bar high for what makes an ideal couple. Viewers were left feeling melancholic after the 25th episode's happy conclusion because they knew they'd miss seeing their beloved couple on screen. However, there's fantastic news for fans this year. The second season of Hidden Love will reunite this couple once more with more challenges and heartwarming love. Now the question arises, who will be playing roles in the upcoming season, what will be the plot and what new twists can we expect? The drama will have the same director from the first season, Lee Cheng-jung, and will be written by Shen Feixian. The same old will be joining, because we have to see our Sang Ji and Jiaxu. Otherwise, who would watch? Zhao Lucy, Chen Jae-yuan, and Victor Ma lead, as well as the most important supporting actors Zheng Li, Qiu Xianji, Guan Zedai-jing, and Wang Yang will also be present. In fact, more new and popular faces will be introduced in this season to spice up the plot. The second season of Hidden Love is rumored to be even more exciting than the first. It will continue to follow the love story of Sang Ji and Jiaxu, but this time they'll face new challenges in their careers and personal lives. There will be unexpected twists and turns that will surprise you. Plus, there will be new characters and couples introduced to make the drama even more interesting. In this season, Sang Ji will become more career-oriented and focused on her work. At the beginning of the new season, they will face a heartbreaking distance between them, which was caused by Sang Ji's newly appointed job far from their home. While Jiaxu longs for his love, new rival characters enter with new obstacles. But we are talking about our unbreakable couple here, it just makes their connection even stronger. Sang Ji's brother, Victor Ma, will also get a spotlight in this season as he finally gets the girl of his dreams. So, there is a possibility of new actors coming in. The entire cast of Hidden Love is putting in their utmost effort to deliver their best performance in the upcoming season. Given the global success of the first season, there is now even more excitement and anticipation from fans for the second season. Consequently, the actors are fully committed to making the second season even more engaging and appealing to the audience. The production team for Hidden Love 2 is currently in the process of selecting shooting locations both within and outside of China. Over the course of its 25 episodes, the drama's cast will be featured in the picturesque streets, cafes, and parks of Shanghai, Xiamen, and Yehe. Each of these cities possesses its unique charm, promising to enchant viewers with its stunning scenery. The production team has already made their choices, and we look forward to seeing the drama set against these breathtaking backdrops in the near future. Hidden Love features a talented ensemble of actors and actresses, each contributing their distinct charm and appeal to the series. This Chinese drama garnered immense popularity not only in China but also in other Asian countries like Japan and Korea, where each episode fetched high prices and enjoyed widespread acclaim. Now, fans are eagerly anticipating the arrival of Hidden Love Season 2. Due to the high expectations from fans, the casting team is taking their time. Currently, the main cast members are occupied with upcoming projects and events. Nonetheless, they plan to gather soon and start filming the new season. Let us know what you think about the upcoming season and what do you expect to happen. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.